This one is possibly the last advent calendar or dissing session video for 2023. Not possibly, it is going to be the last one for this year. It is on request. I actually filmed the entire thing and deleted the video by accident from my camera, which happens a lot. So this is a refilming. It is a Vogue Festive Advent Calendar. It is Vogue's first Advent Calendar. I'm doing this on request, people. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bothered after deleting in particular, to refilm the entire thing. But, a couple of you have written in, where is your Vogue dissing session? I'm here for it. All right, here you are. So Vogue's first ever Advent Calendar, what they've done, they're sort of mixing beauty and lifestyle, jewelry and, cashmere accessories and so on in beauty. I think this is a bad idea. Or, just have only those kind of products, jewelry advent calendars, socks advent calendars. People have that, why mix everything up? So beauty lovers, find it difficult, when they have products that they don't want to see in advent calendars. Anyway, this one is priced at £350. Their first ever advent, £350. Now, Harrods is luxury and only £250, and I thought that was bad. 350. There are actually 31 products in this advent calendar, but only 25 doors. It looks like that. It is already launched. At the time of filming, it is still available for purchase. I will tell you if it has gone out of stock at the time of publishing. The worth is supposedly more than £1,500. We will see if all that is true. Now listen to this. This is what they say. This isn't just a luxury beauty calendar. It is so much more. Journey through history as you count down the days, perusing the original illustrations that fronted the magazine from its very first edition in 1916. That, for me, is the most interesting part in this advent calendar. You can expect to receive a rich selection of 31 makeup, skincare, jewelry, and lifestyle. See, I have a problem with those last two. Products from premium brands, 25 premium brands, as well as a mystery surprise collectible from Vogue. This selection has been handpicked by Vogue editors and includes a few exclusive items that are bespoke to the calendar, as well as a couple of brand new products. You will also receive a year's digital Vogue subscription to keep you up to date on all the latest issues. So apparently this does have international delivery. I don't know, about postage rates and things. So, if you are an international customer and, other advent calendars have let you down, maybe try this one, I suppose. Anyway, off we go with the products. The first one, Lilian R Tiny Heart Gold Necklace. Now, hang on, gold-plated necklace, rather. Retails at £89 on the Lilian R website. Right now, it is down to £63, but that could be because of a Black Friday offer. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. I'm probably the only person on earth who doesn't like fashion jewelry. No, not my thing. Kindly, dear brands, dear companies, have a beauty advent calendar and a jewelry and lifestyle separately. There are people out there who don't want to see necklaces and things in advent calendars. If we know where we are to go if we want to buy our necklaces and gloves and laundry detergent. We don't want to see that along with beauty. Anyway, the next product. Number 3. If you don't recognize the brand, it's Olaplex. This is getting to be another beta. This is full size, retailing at £28. Next, you have from Chapman the Icon Day Smart Sun X50A Squared Cream, full sized, 30 mils, retailing at £97 on their website. John Lewis has an offer for this one. It is down to £77.60. That's possibly a Black Friday offer. So this actually reminds me of the Net-a-Porter Advent Calendar, Beauty Advent Calendar from a couple of years ago. Some very, very, very high value items in that. Next, you have the Ambient Strobe Lightning Brush from Hourglass, travel size only, not full size. Not going to count it. Next, you have the Hourglass. That's probably the same door. Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Again, travel sized, 2 grams only. Not going to count it. Next, from Elmus, Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Not marine cream, people. You only get 50 grams. Now, full size, proper full size is 100 grams because this is a cleansing product and needs to be at least 100. So we're not going to count that either. Next, you have from Ren, the Atlantic Kelp and Microalgae Anti-Fatigue Toning Body Oil. Full size, 100 mils. Retailing at £38. Right now, it is discounted to £25 on Ren. That could be, again, Black Friday offers. Next, you have from York, a silk eye mask. You get that in a bespoke Vogue print. Now, this one actually retails at £45. I actually got a leopard print one from them I think, the Footman Mason Advent Calendar from 2019 it was. I had it right here. I swear I did. Now I can't find it. I tell you, I had it right here, right now. And I can't find it, and digging around has made my hand hurt. Best not. Next you have Dr. BS. The eye cream. Listen to this. Full size. 15 mils, people, 15 mils. The retail price is £115. Now, Dr. Barbara's Sturm products may work well, may do all that they say, etc. But why are they priced at, such astronomical rates? Why is a 15 mil product £115? That's my question. Dr. Dennis Cross doesn't price their products that high. There are so many other brands out there that manage to keep the price decent. And the worst part? There's an anti-aging version of this eye cream that costs even more. Let's not even go there. Right, the next product is from Sophie's. It is a Titan Gold Hoops. These apparently are named after Saturn's largest moon, and they retail at £80. Now, you know me, I'm a hoop person. I do have maybe 3 or 4 year studs, but I'm as a rule, I prefer hoops. Main reason I don't like, unscrewing the stud, putting it on and then screwing back again. No, I'm too lazy. Clip, go. That's me. So I prefer hoops to ear studs. So I'm really interested in this product actually. So while I think that this is great for me, because I'm a hoop person, and while I intend to check out this brand and see what other hoops they have, I am not going to support its inclusion in a beauty advent calendar. I know it's marketed as a festive advent calendar, but I still think, no, it needs to be a separate advent calendar, not be mixed up with beauty products. Just an opinion, feel free to disagree. Next you have the Morad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture Cream, full size 50 mils, retailing at £75. John Lewis has this down to £56.25 right now. Next you have from Charlotte Tilbury the Pillow Talk Mascara, full size 10 mils, retailing at £26. At least it's not a quart. See, one thing I'm liking so far about this advent calendar is that the beauty products are not, we haven't seen our friend here so far. It's not there so far. Let's see if it is actually in there at all. But I think, so far it's all different, isn't it? Charlotte Tilbury, not the quart. Right, the next product we have seen before. Sicily Black Rose Cream Mask. 10 mils. 60 mils is full size. Not going to count this. I really like this mask. I know a lot of people, have raved about it. But I think, the hype's worth it. The thing is, I'm not going to buy a full size ever because, it's that spendy. I'm not going to buy a full size at all because 60 mils retails at £106. And there was a time in my life when I could spend that much on beauty. I no longer can. I don't know if I will be able to in future, but as of now, no plans at all. So basically, I'm saving this, for very special occasions. Long may it last. They've also included 5 mils of the Sicily Atlanticoral cream, and that full size is 30 mils. Oh dear, 5 mils. Next you have from Kilian Paris the perfume Love Don't Be Shy, travel size 7.5 mils. I have a travel size, replica size, mini size, sample size, deluxe size. It's all a mini. Full size is 50 mils or 100 mils. So Neiman Marcus recently gave this exact product in this exact size 7.5 mils as a gift with purchase. Don't pay for samples. Next you have from BBB London the Clear Brow Gloss, full size, retailing at £23. Oh dear, everybody and their mother has been sending out a clear brow gel in their advent calendars this year. Next you have from Discotheque the Crisco Disco Candle, large size, retailing at £45. That is 220 grams, I suppose, which is full size on their website. Next, you have 4 products from Clé de Peau. All are samples. I'll just tell you what they are. Protective Fortifying Emulsion 12 mils. Full size is 125 mils. UV Protective Cream 50, SPF 50 that is. Full size is 50 mils. Protective Fortifying Emulsion 12 mils. You get 125 mils is full sized. The serum 7 mils is what you get. 30 mils is full size. So you have 4 tiny samples from Clé de Peau. Next, you have from Aspinal the Slim Credit Card Holder in Black Pebble, retailing at £70. It is now on sale for £58. Black Friday offer, I suppose. Space and Case sent out the sky blue of this, and I gifted it to my dad 1 year. I mean, the year they sent this out as a gift with purchase, I gave it to my dad and he absolutely adores it and uses it this very day. Next you have from the White Company, even a candle would have been better, the cashmere bed socks in silver grey, retailing at £36. Oh dear, socks. So now this year we've seen socks, we've seen gloves, we've seen laundry detergent. We haven't seen bookmarks. Chanel still wins that from 2 years ago. We still haven't seen bookmarks in this year's advent calendars. Next you have from Oribe, the Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. 50 mils is what you get. Full size is 150 mils, not going to count it. Next you have from the Seated Queen, the Infinite Ointment. 15 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £25. Next you have from Foro, the UFO mini device LED therapy mask, retailing at £129. It's full size. Now this apparently is a bit of a warming mask therapy and cryotherapy. What you do is there's this device that looks like that, yeah? At the bottom of it, you affix a circular sort of sheet mask that you get from Foro. So you've got to buy this for the rest of your life. For at least for as long as you want to use this device, and you attach, there's a ring, you remove the ring, you put in the circular sheet mask, and then you reattach the ring to hold that sheet mask in place, and then you apply the sheet mask like that, you move the device like that. So there's LED therapy, the mask is warm because of the LED as well, and then there's the actual mask with the product, and that goes into your skin. That's how it works. I think this is absolutely gimmicky. I mean, you might as well apply a sheet mask and go away instead of spending £129. And it's not just 129 quid that you spent. You also have to buy those little circular masks to put at the bottom of this thing, to put on this device. For as long as you want to use this device, you've got to buy those things. And that, I think, is insane. Just to tell you a bit about the device that I think is absolutely gimmicky. Moving on. Hair by Sam McKnight. Bigger Love. Full size. 100 mils. £24. Next you have from Vogue, the Brightening Hyaluronic Serum with Narcissus and AHA. Full size. 50 mils. Retailing at £94. I think this is good. Vogue Serum, Hyaluronic and AHA and Narcissus. Nice. Vogue Serum's always good in my book. Next from Neon. Perfect Night Sleep Scented Candle. Indeed full-sized 1 week candle. People. £37 is the retail value. 3 week candles are £52. 1 week is only 37. Next, oh dear, more jewellery. V by Laura Van Vintage Link Gold Chain Bracelet, retailing at £115. Oh my god, bracelets. And then you also get a Mystery Vogue collectible and 1 year's digital subscription. So before anything else, price breakdown. The tiny hard gold plated necklace, £89. Olaplex number 328, Sarah Chapman cream 97, you get £214. Ren 38, eye mask 45, Barbara Sturm 115, £412. You pass the cost of the advent calendar, 350. Gold hoops 80 quid, Morad 50 quid, Charlotte Tilbury 26 mascara, you get £593. BBB London gloss 23 quid, discotheque candle 45, you get £661. Aspinal credit card holder 70, White Company socks 36, Seated Queen ointment 25, you get £792. The Foro is 129. The Hair by Sam McKnight is 24, and the Vogue Serum is 94, you get 1,039. Neon Candle 37, the bracelet is 115, you get 1,192. Now, even if you count only the beauty products, and even if you remove the Dr. BS, you still get 350, which is what you pay for the advent calendar. Value, definitely there. Now, there are 19 full sizes in this advent calendar, counting the jewelry and everything else, counting the socks and the eye mask and everything. Now, if you count only the beauty products, not even the eye mask, the sleeping mask, and not even the credit card holder and things like that, you get 13 full sizes, which isn't bad. Now, my big problem, A, you've gone and mixed beauty, lifestyle, jewelry, accessories, a ton of things in here. It's very mix and match. B, I think the price, if you'd left out all that jewelry, you could have priced this at 200 quid. We'd all be much, much happier. So I think the beauty products in this advent calendar, barring the Dr. BS, are great inclusions. Watery serum, nice. Morad cream to try out. Ren body oil. Sarah Chapman cream to try out. Elmus cleansing balm, not the usual marine cream to try out. So beauty inclusions, the one usual suspect in here is the Olaplex number 3. The rest, there's not even a black liner in here. No black liner. Insane. So beauty-wise, I think this is all right. My problem, you've gone and mixed it with all the jewelry, all the lifestyle, socks, credit card holder, and things like that. So bracelets and things. So it's a very, 350 quid. Not everybody is going to be able to spend 350 quid on an advent calendar. If it was, 200 quid or 195, 200, 225, 250 even, you think, at the beginning of the year or the beginning of Advent season, around August or so, all right, I put 250 quid by this year to buy myself an Advent calendar. Yeah, and then you've gone and priced this thing at 350 because it contains all that jewelry and all this, cashmere socks and things. So people are going to think, oh, I only put by 250 quid. I wish they'd left out all that tat and, included, plain straight up beauty. That would have been, and kept the price down. That would have been much, 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 much nicer. And, had a separate lifestyle advent calendar with all the jewelry and all the accessories. Priced at whatever, for those of us who were interested, for those people who could afford it. Because I think, as it is, the curation, barring 1 or 2 items, the clear gloss and the Olaplex number 3, usual suspects, and the BS, of course. Barring 2 or 3 items, the curation of this is actually very, very good. New different products, no Beta, yay, no gouache stone, no jade roller, no tweezers, no under eye patches. There's an eye mask, yes, but that's lifestyle and accessories, yeah. So all in all, the curation is good. It's just that they're gonna mix it and matched it up and messed it up, really, not matched it, mixed and messed, rather. And the price is sky high. I would have been interested in this if it had been much, much cheaper. If you're looking for a general advent calendar and can afford 350, the value is definitely sky high, and you're interested in all the fashion jewelry and all the lifestyle accessories, products, the socks and things like that, then, the value is that it's great value for money. It's just that this isn't up my alley at all. I don't want mix and match. If I do want hoops, I know where to go to buy my hoops. I don't want to see them along with my serum, if you know what I mean. I don't want to see them along with my serum or my cleanser. And I definitely don't want to see socks in an advent calendar unless it is a separate sock advent calendar. Somebody did a Harry Potter sock advent calendar. Great! Slytherin socks and, Malfoy socks and things like that. Dobby socks, very nice. They actually had Dobby themed socks. And, Gryffindor red and gold striped socks. Separate sock advent calendar, buy that. Don't mix them along with serum or mascara, no. I can't stand that they've mixed beauty, jewelry and lifestyle and given us this very hodgepodge mix, which is priced way too high. I can get why a jewelry advent calendar or, something like this with Aspinal and things would cost 350. But I think if you keep it to beauty only, and lifestyle only, you have a better chance, more customers, particularly if you are shipping internationally. People, will be interested in a 200 quid beauty advent calendar. Now, this is just my opinion. It's just a thought out there. Feel free to disagree, people. So it wasn't as much dissing as you were expecting. It wasn't as much dissing as I was first expecting. But my big dissing point here is that, they've gone and mixed and matched and mixed and messed and put the price way too high. If they'd kept it separately, much better. That is my key dissing point here. So this is my last Advent calendar video for 2023. I will be talking about Advent calendars only in 2024 next. So I know a lot of you will, stay far away and then I won't have any views and then it'll come back in August. That's all right. It's what happens every year. For those who do that, I'll see you next year. So those are my thoughts on the Vogue Festive Advent Calendar, Vogue's first ever Advent Calendar for 2023. What do you think? Do you agree mixing and messing was a bad idea? Do you think, a general Advent Calendar, this is good? Do let me know in the comments below. If you are somebody who watches only my Advent Calendar dissing videos, I will speak to you next year. Otherwise, I will see you very shortly. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.